your credit reports will affect your credit repair process, but I think it's going to freeze it in a good way. So freezing it just ensures that you're not going to get any more inquiries unless you're actually applying for credit. And then I always tell people to freeze their third-party bureaus outside of just the three, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. You guys should be doing LexisNexis. Make sure you guys freezing that. SageStream, you guys should be doing that. And this is a lot of third-party bureaus I always talk to you guys about. You guys should definitely freeze those because it's going to make sure that you guys can get additional accounts removed from your credit reports. It's going to be easier for you guys. Now, I told you guys like there's a lot of different credit bureaus out there. So let's go ahead and look at some of those third-party credit bureaus. So these are the ones that you should possibly go ahead and freeze depending on what your situation is. What your situation, you should go ahead and freeze these third-party bureaus. So here it is right here. So here is a list of those bureaus, you guys. Let's go ahead and click got it. There's so many different bureaus that you guys can actually go ahead and freeze. And here they are here. So depending on what you got going on, I always tell you guys that you guys may want to freeze those third-party bureaus, and look how many third-party bureaus there is. And depending on if you guys are, some people are trying to rent a property and they're having a hard time renting a property, you guys may want to look into these bureaus. And when they get denied, when you guys are trying to rent a property, then they'll tell you which bureau they pulled from, and you guys can go ahead and try to fix it. Now, some people are having a hard time getting a bank account. Check Systems is one of them big accounts, one of the big companies that report, our banking. And also too, Telecheck, we see that right here. Our Clue, Clue, that is for personal property and auto reports. Some people need to actually do that. But there's a lot of different third-party bureaus like SageStream. I told you guys about that. You guys may want to do that. Innoviz, you can do that one also. That is another one that you may want to go ahead and freeze. MBI may be another one, especially if you guys have some medical debt. And yeah, that's all of some of the ones I really tell you guys about. Early warning is another good one that you guys may want to do. You may want to also freeze this too, but there's different bureaus, you guys. It's a whole list of bureaus out there that you guys may want to actually freeze, but freezing these is going to help with your process because it's going to help you get your accounts deleted faster, because all they're doing is verifying you. So getting those removed should help you get